Hi, my name is JP Singh. I'm the Automotive Marketing Manager with Lattice Semiconductor Corporation. The demo that we are showcasing over here is the implementation of convolutional neural network under the machine learning and AI platform on the ECP5 devices. The kit over here is the embedded vision kit, and that's where our convolutional neural network is implemented. This neural network has been trained to recognize and interpret the speeds on the speed signs over here. For example, when we look at a 25 miles per hour speed limit, you can see the confidence bar for the 25 miles per hour is the highest in this case. If we take a look at the 50 miles per hour sign, you can see the 50-mile bar is the highest in this case. This demo is part of our sensAI demos that we are showcasing at Embedded Vision Summit at Santa Clara. For more information, visit our website www.latticesemi.com/sensAI. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.